we have added in this chocolate, butter, milk powder means guro doodh, and 2 Cadbury's, etc. James, cashew nut and kismis, raisins, and her one is also same, and just little bit white, so that you will think not. This is also same ingredients, and this is also same, and let's start eating. And please subscribe to our channel. I have done many videos before, so please subscribe my channel over your hearts. For getting my new recipes all day. She is eating.
Wow, so nice.
So fast.
We'll drop it. Make sound. Nice, no? Both are really very tasty.
Today, tomorrow we will be doing a new video that will be based on. Oh yes, Drew music.
Have it.
Very nice.
What have it? Take this.